How to create and share Zoom meeting link on WhatsApp. What is up, everybody? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. First thing you'll have to do is open up Zoom application on your device. Then you're going to have to create a new meeting. You can either create an instant meeting, or if you want to schedule the meeting for later, you can click on schedule. A new window will appear here. You're going to have to set the date and then time. I'm just going to go ahead and create an instant meeting. So let me just click on new meeting and let me just mute my audio real quick. Click on start. Now your new meeting has instantly started. It will go on for 40 minutes if you have the free version of Zoom. In order to invite new members or share a link to your WhatsApp, all you have to do is click on this participants option, click on this up arrow, and then you'll have an option called invite. And from here, click on copy invite link. It will be copied to your clipboard. You can also find it on the more option, and then from here, you'll see the meeting info. And from here, you could easily copy the invite link. Just wait for the meeting info to show up. Click on this invite link and then copy this. Now it has been copied to our clipboard. So let me just go ahead and open up my WhatsApp on here. I'm going to go to my group chat, and then I'm just going to go ahead and paste the link. Then tap on send. Now whoever taps on this link will be able to join the Zoom meeting. So tap on paste and then send. Now you should be good to go. So that's how you basically create a meeting on Zoom and share it on WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you on the next one.